Welcome to Food Talk with Sharon. How about making a barbecue sandwich today? So if you love barbecue flavors, then this sandwich is something you can put together really easily. And now if you don't like to make it as a sandwich, the same filling can go into a panini or even into a roll. So let's quickly check out the recipe of the barbecue chicken sandwich. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please do click that tiny bell icon and turn on all notifications. For preparing the filling for this sandwich, we first need to cook chicken. Now I'm using boneless chicken pieces here. You can use chicken with bone as well because we would be removing the flesh and shredding this before we prepare the filling with the barbecue sauce. Into a pan, add your pieces of chicken along with some salt, pepper and a little bit of water. Let this cook till the chicken pieces are cooked through. The chicken is cooked here. Let's now take it off heat. And now let's shred these chicken pieces. You can use a fork or just shred it using your fingers as well. Into the same pan, let's now add the shredded chicken back. And into this, let's add some barbecue sauce and chilli flakes. Just mix this well and let it cook till the sauce starts caramelizing a little. And this is coated completely onto the chicken pieces. Let's now start assembling our sandwich. I'm using some mayo here. So let's apply mayo on both slices of the bread. Let's now add the cooked barbecue chicken on top of this. And on top of this, let's add some shredded lettuce leaves. This gives a nice freshness to the sandwich as well. And then goes a slice of cheese. Cover it with the other piece of bread. Let's now toast this well till it's golden brown on either side. And once your bread is golden brown, your cheese would have also melted. You can make the sandwich on a stovetop as I showed you, or even use your sandwich maker. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this really easy peasy barbecue chicken sandwich and would surely try it out.